Hola, muy buenos días a todos. Good morning. Welcome to Repeat After Me Spanish for the Camino, episode 5. So, if you did not watch episodes 1 through 4 yet, make sure that you like and subscribe and go ahead and watch these before you do this one, because one episode builds on another one. So welcome to episode 5. This course, it's a mini course. It will get you ready for the Camino. This is basically everything you need to get you started with your Spanish. Okay, folks, let's review. It's quiz time. So the first one is quiero el menú del peregrino. What does this mean? Okay, it means I want the pilgrim's menu. Okay, very good. The next one is sin carne, without meat. That's right. Sin means without, and carne is meat. So if you wanted to say, for example, without onions, you would say sin cebollas. Okay. All right, number 3, ¿qué recomienda? Okay. What do you recommend? Okay. And number 4, una botella de agua. What's a botella de agua? A bottle of water. Okay, so be aware that in Spain, you will have to pay for water, unless you go out to a public water fountain, of course. But if you go in a restaurant and you want water, don't expect them to bring you free water. You will have to pay for it. Okay, and the last one, está incluido el postre. Está incluido el postre. Is dessert included? That's right. Is dessert included? Or if you wanted to ask, is the wine included? Está incluido el vino. Okay, good job, folks. Okay, so today we are going to talk about health and emergency type phrases. So the first one I have is me duelen los pies. Me duelen los pies. My feet are hurting. They will be hurting, no doubt about it. Okay. Or maybe your back is hurting. Me duele la espalda. Me duele la espalda. Okay, go ahead and practice those. Okay, here's a painful thing. Tengo una ampolla. I have a blister. Okay, what you don't want to do is have those infected. So if you need some treatments for ampollas, make sure you tell. Tengo una ampolla. Ampolla. Okay, make sure you learn this one. Tengo una ampolla. So if you need supplies such as covering an ampolla, you probably need a farmacia. So necesito una farmacia. I need a pharmacy. Now you could say, ¿Dónde está la farmacia? But either way. So necesito means I need. Okay, so anything you need, you can say necesito. Necesito una farmacia. I need a pharmacy. Okay, if things get real bad, you need to call an ambulance. So to call the ambulance, it is not 911. Okay, to call an ambulance in Spain, it is 112. Take a note of it. It's 112. Okay, if you remember nothing from this video, remember this one. It's 112. All right, so llamen una ambulancia. Llamen, everybody say it, llamen una ambulancia. Ambulancia, an ambulance. Hopefully you will never have to call an ambulance, but you never know. You just don't know. So in Spain, they have a lot of health centers. Don't be afraid to go there. They're not going to be expensive. So, ¿dónde está el centro de salud? ¿Dónde está el centro de salud? So if you need your blister taken care of, they can do that for you. And it is not expensive, I promise. ¿Dónde está el centro de salud? Okay, where is the health center? Okay, that brings us to the end of this video. Let's review before we sign off here. So tell me what this means. Me duelen los pies. Okay, my feet are hurting. Me duele la espalda. My back is hurting. Okay. Tengo una ampolla. I have a blister. Necesito una farmacia. I need a pharmacy. Llamen una ambulancia. Llamen una ambulancia. That's right. And what is the 911 in Spain? That's right, 112. All right. And the last one, ¿dónde está el centro de salud? All right, that's right. Where is the health center? All right, this is Camino Teacher. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel, and keep watching. So we have one more episode in this series, and then we will have a test. So we'll see if you can pass it. All right, folks. So I hope you all have a great day. I'm signing off here from East Tennessee. And yeah, have a great one. Hasta luego.